Here we go, HobbyBox604, doing our next break. This is group break number 104, 12-13, Upper Deck the Cup, single box, team select. This is box 1, since we determined these through the dice earlier. It is serial number 275. 275, box 1 from the fresh case. Good luck. Man, it's so hard to take these out sometimes. There you go. Okay. First hit is a base card to 249 for the Tampa Bay Lightning. Number 191 of 249, Steven Stamkos. Steven Stamkos, 191 of 249 for the Tampa Bay Lightning. Next we have a rookie patch auto to 249 for the Vancouver Canucks and my PC guy. Number 208 of 249, Nicholas Jensen. Nicholas Jensen, 208 of 249. And a beautiful hit coming for Montreal. Honorable numbers. Number to 27 with a beautiful patch that's popping out of the piece there. Alex Galchenyuk. Number 19 of 27, Alex Galchenyuk. Look at that. It's coming out of the card. Wow. We have a beautiful signature renditions. Number 13 of 35 for the Calgary Flames, Theo Fleury. Number 13 of 35, another beautiful, these cards are gorgeous. 13 of 35, gold ink on card, Theo Fleury for the Calgary Flames. Nice card. For the Nashville Predators, number 2 of 25, triple jersey, Seth Jones, Pekka Rinne, Shea Weber, number 2 of 25, triple jersey with another one of those scratches on top, unfortunately, for the Nashville Predators. And our last card is a base gold to 25 for the Detroit Red Wings, Pavel Datsyuk. Number 7 of 25, Pavel Datsyuk. That was it, guys. Thanks for watching. We'll be back shortly.